Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone in grade 3 in the other national schools. Today we are going to answer some past questions on modules from 1 to 8 in your workbook at page 122. The first question, D at page again 122. Circle the correct words. The machine turned into out to be more useful than I thought. Turned, think of the answer, think of the answer. Turn out or turn into. Turn into to change the shape or the form of something into another shape or another form. Okay, but turn out means discover something, uncover it, the machine turn it out. The machine turned out to be more useful than I thought. Okay. Number two, don't pretend or predict you don't know anything about the trick. I know you do. Don't pretend. Why? Predict means to expect something, to expect something in the future. But here I ask you not to give me the impression you don't know anything about something. So I will say, don't pretend. Don't pretend. Okay, number three. All of a sudden, John got up. All of a sudden, we talked about it before and said, all of a sudden means something happens suddenly, out of the blue. John got up and left. It just doesn't make sense. Just doesn't make sense. Okay. Number four. Are you aware or familiar with? Here we will choose the right word or the right adjective according to the meaning and the proposition we have in the sentence. We have the proposition with. Aware, aware of, but familiar with, aware of, you have the knowledge, you have uh, something, you have some information about something, so you are care about it, you are aware of it, but familiar with something is which is not strange from you, so it's familiar with. Okay. Number five, it's very likely wise to rain later today, so take your umbrella. It's very likely, perhaps, I guess, I expect that it will rain today, so likely give the meaning of perhaps, or maybe, or it's probable. Or six, the police told us to steer clear of the building which was on fire, to be away from building. We went to the manager because we were really dissatisfied and pleasant, dissatisfied and pleasant with the service. Dissatisfied with. Here the proposition manages, the meaning manages. What will we choose? 8. We waved or tapped at Frank until his train disappeared in the distance. Frank is traveling, so we waved to him. Move your hand from side to side when someone is traveling. To see him off, you can wave with your hands. Circle the correct words. F. Circle the correct words. In the future, you won't be able to or can't take this bus to the city center. In the future, of course, well, this is well. not, will not. But in the short form, won't, will not, won't be able to. Number two. Number two. May or will you come with me to the library today? Sorry, number B, sorry, but I have to, or need, finish. We can choose need, why it's necessary to use to, need to, but we don't have to, so need is wrong, and we will choose have to. We will choose have to. Okay, now, what will we choose? May you come or will you come with me? Will you come with me to the library today? Number three, do we need or need we take? Here again, need, we can choose it. Why? We can choose it in the sentence or that sentence in the first sentence. Why? We don't have to, but here, do we need to? We don't have to, so we can choose need here, but we will choose need we take. Need we take the bus to the city center? We can always walk. We can always walk. I called Jack, but he wasn't at home. I called Jack, but he wasn't at home. He can or he must be at work. I called someone, but he didn't reply. Okay, so he must be at work. You don't have to or don't need bring anything to the picnic. You don't have to. You don't have to. The picnic, my mother will cook. Number six, Ken had to or didn't have to be at work early, but he overslept. Had to, because we have that. Seven, will you be able to or will you need to help me with my project? Well, we have to here and here, so we want to choose well, but we will choose well, you need to help me. Number eight, they might or must leave now. If they want to catch the plane, they must leave now. It's a necessary thing. It's a must for them to do it. It's obligation, kind of obligation. Number nine, says you would like some cake for dessert. Or do you like some cake for dessert? They needn't or don't need be here before nine. They need it. We want to choose don't need to. We don't have to, so it's wrong. We will choose needn't. That's enough for today and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye, my dear students.